Yo, check this out. This is Wayne. Want to keep it locked to DJ Tag Long on Thumbs Up Radio.
Thumbs Up Radio. Turning it up louder, and shaking the earth with more music from the old Gaga.
Oh my gosh, the music just turns me on.
Hello, music lovers, it's Denzel Washington. You're tuned in to Thumbs Up Radio with the one and only DJ Tagalong. Get ready for a musical journey like no other, where every song is a thumbs up moment. Stick around. Not even King Kong can't compete with this station. Keep it locked right here.
Jamaica, hold strong. Father, guide us through the storms. Santa, can you bring me a home, just a place for me and my daughter to live? Melissa took everything we own, and now I got nothing left to give. I'm standing in the rubble where my memories used to be. Every Christmas I would decorate a pretty little tree, but now we're in the darkness, no lights for us to see. Not begging for a handout, just a little mercy. I look on my life just to keep the basic things: light bill, water, food, trying to live in peace. But Melissa hit hard, took my past, future and dreams. Lord, I'm trying to be strong, but this burden heavy on me. Oh, yes, Santa, bring us home tonight. Bring us home, bring us home, bring us home. Oh, yes, Santa, can you hear my cry? For every Jamaican mother trying hard to survive. We got no gifts, no toys, no star above, but we still got faith, still got strength, still holding on to love. Oh, yes, Santa, bring us home, bring Jamaica home this Christmas night. Oh, yes, Santa, bring us home, bring us home, bring us home. My daughter's still crying, her puppy washed away in the flood. She calls his name every morning, and it tears my heart to pieces, trust. She asked me, Mommy, is it judgment day? Is it the end of the world? With tears on my cheek I whisper, no, my baby girl, it's a disaster, yes. But God is in control, He will guide us through this valley, He will shelter every soul. She asked, Mommy, will it happen again? I held her close and said, I can't pretend, but we trust in the Father, He will keep us through the rain. Storm after storm, still we call His name. He is strong when we're weak, and His love will remain. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Santa, bring us home tonight. Bring us home, bring us home, bring us home. Oh, Santa, bless this silent light. Let your miracle fall like snow in the night. We got no feast, no toys, no money in our head, but we still got faith, still got breath, still trusting in God's plan. Oh, Santa, bring us home, bring hope to every Jamaican tonight. Oh, Santa, bring us home, bring us home, bring us home, bring us home. I'm sorry, Santa, if my request's too big, but my house is gone, I got no place to live. No stove, no bed, no table set, just prayers and the little donations we get. Bless the people giving food from their hearts. If it wasn't for them, we couldn't make it this far. Why help take so long to reach the poor? Leaders sleeping warm while we sleep on the floor. They don't see the tears, they don't feel the pain, but Jamaica's still strong and we rising again. Rise again, Jamaica, rise again. And then, oh, Santa, bring us home tonight. A little shelter from the cold, a little guiding light. Our Santa, bless every mother's cry. Turn our sorrow into strength, lift our spirits high. We lost our walls, but we still stand tall. Father, lift us up, don't let us fall. Santa, bring us home, bring love, 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 bring love.
Jagai Jamaica, Santa walk with we this Christmas. We're crying, not celebrating.
Santa, take a walk with me. Let's take a trip to St. Elizabeth. Come see the devastation. It's worse than what you see on TV. Can you bring back my community for me? There's nothing to be happy about. How can we be merry Christmas fine, we're living in conditions unsanitary. People suffering, kids without toys, no food to eat, no running water, no playground where they can play. So they won't be having a happy Christmas day.
No Christmas day.
No Christmas day.
No Christmas day.
I can see it in your face, Santa. You just can't believe these people in St. Elizabeth won't be having Christmas dinner.
Chicken rice.
My God.
No, not this
The
year.
music just
They're suffering,
turns
sleeping on the
on.
ground, praying not to be eaten by crocodile, getting bitten by mosquitoes, sleeping under a fallen tree.
Sleeping on the tree, Lord help me.
I can see in your eyes,
Santa.
your eyes filled up with tears. But Santa, take a walk with me, come see the pain across this whole country. Every parish crying, every heart in need. Jamaica hurting, Santa.
Can't you see?
Oh Santa,
Help me please.
we're not asking for toys this Christmas. No fancy gifts under no tree, just a roof above our heads, a warm bed and a little peace. Santa, take a walk with me and help rebuild our community. Now let's take a trip to Westmoreland. Every roof is gone, the lower class, the middle class, even the rich, no one was spared. The hurricane hit every home, people trying to pick up the pieces, but they don't know where to start.
Help them, Santa.
Please have a heart. Beautiful houses built with love just crumble and fall apart. All their life savings
Gone.
families ripped apart.
Hear me, Santa.
This is more than a storm, it's a heartbreak to the core.
Santa.
Are you with me? I heard you work miracles, and these kids don't want toys, they want a roof over their heads. One blanket, not enough, they need a bed instead. A lot of people will need therapy. Losing everything is enough to make a strong mind break. Hold on, hold strong. So Santa, we depending on you this Christmas.
Fix our community.
Give us new roofs and a warm bed. We're looking forward for your help. Take a walk with me, come see the pain across this whole country. Every parish crying, every heart in need. Jamaica hurting, Santa.
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
We don't want toys this Christmas. We don't want games or sweet treat. Just light, clean water, a safe place to sleep. 'Cause life out here is deep. Santa, take a walk with me and help rebuild our community. Now let's take a drive to St. James, the hills of Montego Bay. Houses washed down, cars swept away. People screaming, Jah help me today. They have no home, no Christmas tree, no Christmas dinner, no family feast,
No shoes.
no feet, last clothes on their back. They're wearing their last suit on their back. No shoes on their feet. Living round here is hell. And Santa, I know the shock hit you as well, but you are Santa Claus.
Create a miracle.
Give the people back their livelihood. If you can help, help Jamaica, please. Find me and Santa. Do something sweet.
Santa.
Take a walk with me, walk through Jamaica, and you'll agree
This Christmas.
won't be merry for those who lost everything in tragedy.
Help we, Santa.
Help we, Santa. We're praying for roofs, for clean water, food, for strength to make it soon. Take a walk with me, let's
Let's rebuild hope across this island by the sea.
Guy Jamaica, Santa walk with we. This Christmas, we crying, not celebrating. Santa, take a walk with me. Let's take a trip to St. Elizabeth. Come see the devastation. It's worse than what you see on TV. Can you bring back my community for me? There's nothing to be happy about. How can we be merry when Christmas time we're living in conditions unsanitary? People suffering, kids without toys, no food to eat, no running water, no playground where they can play. So they won't be having a happy Christmas day. No Christmas day, no Christmas day. I can see it in your face, Santa. You just can't believe these people in St. Elizabeth won't be having Christmas dinner, chicken, rice, and peas. And no, not this year. They're suffering, sleeping on the ground, praying not to be eaten by a crocodile, getting bitten by mosquitoes, sleeping under a fallen tree, sleeping under a tree. Lord help we, I can see in your eyes, Santa. Your eyes filled up with tears. Santa, take a walk with me. Your eyes fill up with tears. Santa, take a walk with me. Hey. But Santa, take a walk with me. Come see the pain across this whole country. Every parish crying, every heart in need. Jamaica hurting, Santa, can't you see? Oh, Santa, help we please. We're not asking for toys this Christmas. No fancy gifts under no tree. Just a roof above our heads, a warm bed, and a little peace. Santa, take a walk with me and help rebuild our community. Santa, take a walk with me. Now let's take a trip to Westmoreland. Every roof is gone. The lower class, the middle class, even the rich. No one was spared. The hurricane hit every home. People trying to pick up the pieces, but they don't know where to start. Help them, Santa, please have a heart. Beautiful houses built with love just crumble and fall apart. All their life savings gone, families ripped apart. Hear me, Santa, this is more than a storm. It's a heartbreak to the core. Santa, are you with me? I heard you work miracles, and these kids don't want toys. They want a roof over their heads. One blanket not enough. They need a bed instead. A lot of people will need therapy. Losing everything is enough to make a strong mind break. Hold on, hold strong. So Santa, we depending on you this Christmas. Fix our community, give us new roofs and a warm bed. We're looking forward for your help. Santa, take a walk with me. Santa, take a walk with me. Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? We don't want toys this Christmas. We don't want games or sweet treats. Just like clean water, a safe place to sleep. 'Cause life out here is deep. Santa.
You're jamming with the hottest disc jockey.
just a place for me and my daughter to live. Melissa took everything that we owned. Now all I have left is bricks and stones. Standing in the rubble where our joy used to be. Every Christmas I would decorate a pretty little tree. But darkness took the lights, no stars for us to see. Not begging for a handout, just mercy for we. I worked all my life just to keep the basic things. Light bill, water, food, trying to live with ease. But Melissa hit hard, took my dreams in the breeze. Lord, I'm trying to be strong, but this burden heavy on me. Come Santa, bring us home tonight. Bring us home, bring us home. A roof to keep us warm, a little hope, a little light. Yeah. Come Santa, can you hear my cry? For every Jamaican mother trying hard to survive. We got no gifts, no toys, no star above, but we still got faith, still got strength, still holding on to love. Come Santa, bring us home, bring Jamaica home this Christmas night. My daughter's still crying, her puppy washed away in the flood. She calls his name every morning and it breaks my heart deeper than blood. She asked me, Mommy, is it Judgment Day? Is it the end of the world? With tears on my cheek I whisper, no, my baby girl, it's a disaster, yes. But God will keep us whole. He will guide us through this darkness. He will shelter every soul. Guide us through, Almighty God. She asked, could it happen again? I held her tight and said, I can't pretend. But we trust in the Father, He will keep us through the rain. Storm after storm, still we call His name. He is strong when we're weak and His love will remain. Father never fails, strong when we're weak and His love will remain. He never fails. Through the smoke and debris, I see a nation in pain. Mothers holding on tight while they stand in the rain. Melissa hit the hard wash memories away, but the spirit of Jamaica never fades or decays. I see strength in the struggle, courage in the tears. A child asking mama if the world disappears. But now this ain't the ending, it's the start of rebirth. Even when the sky falls, God still guards the earth. Lead us sleeping warm while the people stay cold. But the heart of the island is pure, brave, bold. From Kingston to Mobay, I feel the cries, but also the power in the people who rise. So Santa, if you're listening, this prayer ain't small. Bring a roof for the homeless, bring hope for us all. Bring peace to the mothers who've been fighting alone. Bless them on, 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 bless them on.
Oh my God, the music just turns.